Hi CDSD parents, welcome to this video tutorial on how to create a pairing code for your Canvas student. We're going to start on the Central Dauphin School District website, and you're going to navigate to the parent and student portal. Go to the parent portal. You'll notice that there are resources for Canvas. This is all in alphabetical order. So there are multiple resources for Canvas. This link will take you to Canvas. And there is a parent guide, a student guide, and directions on pairing codes. If you click the directions on pairing codes, honestly, it's a little bit difficult to follow along, but I will say that on page 3, it does give you another link, and we'll link all of these in our tutorial website on how do I generate a pairing code for an observer. So again, this document right here is much more helpful, this link here, and we will include this in the training website for you. This will give you the specific instructions if you want to have something to follow along, okay? So now, once we go to the parent portal, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we are going to open Canvas in a new tab. And it is going to give us this login screen. If you do not have a pairing code already, then you're going to want to work with your student to get a parent code. I'm going to walk you through that process right now of what that looks like. So you have to know either your student's login information or have your student with you at this time. I happen to have a child who is a Central Dauphin School District user, so I'm going to go ahead and use her account. I have her permission to show it just so we can see how to create a pairing code. Once you enter in your student's information, you're going to click Login, and of course your student can do that for you. You're going to get to their account and you're going to want to click their account button. It's going to open up their information and you want to go to Settings. Under Settings, you're going to see a link for Pair with Observer. And you're going to get a pairing code. This pairing code will expire after a certain period of time, so please make sure that when you have the pairing code that you do use it right away. You're going to copy that pairing code and you're going to go back, and that's what you're going to enter when you try to log in to Canvas. If you have never logged into Canvas and you do not have a Canvas account, you're going to want to click Parent of a Canvas User. You're going to want to enter your name, your home email, a password, and then the pairing code if you have it already. If you already have a parent Canvas account, because maybe you already have a student that you've already linked, and you need to add the pairing code from in your account, I'll walk you through those instructions right now. Obviously, go ahead and log in to your Canvas account. Once you log in to your Canvas account, you'll see some of your students' courses if you have other students already paired. Go ahead and click Account, and then click Observing. This is where you would enter the new pairing code and add the new student. Thank you. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful, and you can refer to our training website for more detailed information.